ours.
The Supreme Court made one of the biggest gun decisions in more than a decade. It says the Constitution provides the right to carry a weapon outside the home. The justices ruled 6-3. This sets a historical precedent. It started with a case out of New York. This ruling means New York State residents do not need to show good cause in order to obtain a concealed carry license.
And like New York, California also required good cause when applying for a concealed carry license. So how does this decision impact our state?
KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri has been looking into this all day. Lizzie, what have you found?
Lisa, this definitely means changes are coming in California as far as what is required for those to get a permit to carry a concealed weapon here in the state. Gun rights advocates say this is a victory, while many Democratic state leaders see this as a mistake. A U.S. Supreme Court decision today on carrying concealed guns has sparked strong reactions.
We were unabashedly ecstatic at the seismic change that occurred with the court ruling on New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruen.
They made a crucial mistake by making a decision that hurts the very people that we're trying to help and save lives, not only in California, but across this nation.
California requires people applying for a license to carry a gun in public to show, quote, good cause, to show they could be in danger, and a concealed carry permit would keep them safe. It's similar to New York's concealed carry law, which the nation's highest court has now ruled is unconstitutional. Sam Paredes is the executive director of Gun Owners of California.
I think that is one of the big things that this Supreme Court decision does, is it protects the rights of lawful, law-abiding citizens and treats them all the same under the law.
While California will have to scrap its good cause requirement, Attorney General Rob Bonta says the state can bolster other requirements.
While this decision is no doubt a setback for the safety of Americans, it also affirmed the rights that states maintain to protect our people.
Bonta is working with lawmakers on amendments to a bill that already passed in the Senate. Changes will focus on two things: specifying and expanding the places where concealed weapons will not be allowed, and clarifying the qualifications for getting a concealed carry permit to include a dangerousness assessment.
The assessment is going to be robust, including looking at arrests, convictions, restraining orders, and other publicly available information that might suggest that a person poses a danger to themselves or to others.
That would all be part of Senator Anthony Portantino's bill, Senate Bill 918, which, as we said, is already moving through the legislature here in the Capitol. It passed 28-6 in the Senate. Now he's hoping with the new additions, it will be heard as early as Tuesday in the Assembly's Public Safety Committee. Live here at the state Capitol, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
Lizzie, thank you. California Governor Gavin Newsom reacting to the news of the Supreme Court gun decision. In a tweet, he said, quote, today's court thinks that gun regulations should be frozen in time, and that if there wasn't a similar law in existence in the 1700s or 1800s, then a state can't pass it now, no matter how important it is to protect people from the modern horror of gun violence. End of quote from Governor Newsom.
Also reacting to the news is Sacramento Mayor Del Steinberg, saying this in a tweet: I strongly disagree with this ruling on guns. This is not 1776, and the founding fathers never contemplated the carnage wrought by these terrible weapons on our streets. And our coverage of the Supreme Court ruling continues online. You can hear from a McGeorge law professor about what this means for our state. That's online at KCRA.com and, of course, on our free KCRA 3